Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can link pages in Notion. So I'm going to show you two different methods. For the first method, I am going to use the at or dimension option. So all you have to do first is to open any of your page. Okay, so for example, this one right here. Then after that, you just have to create a new section. Okay, so here I'm just going to create a new page. So tap on this one. And then after that, you just have to use the at symbol. Okay, and once you've done that, you'd be able to see here now the different pages that you can link using the at mention. Okay, so for example, this one. So tap on enter after that. So when you click on that specific link, you will be directed to that specific page. Now, for our second method, I am going to use the copy link option. So for example, we want to copy the link of this page. So tap on the three dots. And then you have here now the copy link option. So tap on it and then open your other page. So right here, I am just going to paste that page link. Okay, so I'm just going to use the Control V. And then you just have to select the link database view. Okay, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now the info of that specific page. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.